This video is an extension to the previous Discord templates tutorial. It seems that Discord is trying to make their templates more mainstream, and they're making it so that you can quickly start up servers based upon specific genres on their website. To access this, you can click on the Learn More button next to their message about this new edition. The link will also be in the description below. I am going to try out the Creator and Hobbies template as an example. It seems that the template does not come with roles by default, but in this pop-up, you can add a server picture, you can see how many times the specific template has been downloaded, you can also add a name for your Discord server, and finally, you can see the channels that the template adds. You can press close to cancel, or you can press create to actually create the server. The channels do have specific permissions, however, you still have to manually create the roles. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye!